Hello everyone. In previous video, we learned what is Python and what is the necessity to use Python in the computers and what are the advantages of Python in the previous video. Here, in this video, we are going to learn why the Python is popular. See, nowadays, in all the fields, we are using, means in various we are using only Python. The reason is this is one of the high level programming language, and also this is high level programming language, and also it has some advantages. This is what we are using in so many or various fields. Now why the Python is popular nowadays, this information we are going to learn in this video. Now the first reason why the Python is popular. So here the Python syntax is simple and easy to read. See, the syntax is the code what we are going to write, or the program we are going to write. The program what we write, that we are going to call it as syntax. See, this syntax is very simple and easy to read. See, whatever the programs we will write by using the Python program, it will be very simple and easy to read. It looks like English. See, when I discussed in the previous video, it is one of the high level programming language. See, high level is, it is related to English language. That means what we are going to talk every day, that is only we are going to call it as high level language. So it looks like a English, so that the syntax will be very simple and it is easy to read and understand. This is what the Python is more popular. And when it comes, it has large collection of libraries. See, libraries are nothing but it is pre-written code we can use. See, pre-written code is already it has own inbuilt code. So inbuilt code is available under the Python. We have so many pre-written codes under the Python libraries. We can use these pre-written codes to do our work easy. As we discussed in the previous video, we are going to use in the various fields like app development, then to build website, then data analysis, then game development. See, all these fields we are using Python language. For this, already the inbuilt programs are available under the Python library. So this is what this is. The Python language is so popular. Then it works on many platforms like Windows operating system, Mac operating system, and Linux operating systems. So in different operating systems, the Python program is going to be performed, or it is going to work. This is what the Python language is becoming more popular nowadays. Then apart from this, here we can see some other reasons why the Python language is popular nowadays. So here some of the key points. See, first one, easy to learn. Already as I told, it is related to English language, so it will be very easy to learn. See, it uses simple English and also syntax. What I said, the syntax is nothing but the program what we will write under the Python. It will be very simple and it is easy to understand, and also making it beginner friendly. See, if you are new under the Python, it will be very easy to understand and we can start our programming journey by using the Python language. Then second one, versatile. See, versatile is we are going to see the Python language we are using in multitasking fields. Her multitasking or variety of fields we are using Python language. See, it can be used for web development, data science, then game development, artificial intelligence, and also scripting. See, in the previous video already we discussed about web development, data science, then game development, artificial intelligence, and scripting. So if at all you want to create any automated script by using the Python language, we are going to generate a automate script here. Then if at all you want to build a softwares, then tools, then websites for various means different fields we are using. See, versatile is nothing but in multiple fields we are using. The variety of fields we are using Python language. This is what we are calling versatile. Because of this, it is becoming popular nowadays. Then, as we told earlier, libraries means already there are so many predefined programs are available under the Python like pandas, numpy, then TensorFlow, Flask, Django. These are all some made programs. Means there is a library under Python. On the libraries, there are thousands of programs or thousands of libraries and frameworks are available. Means these are nothing but predefined programs. Predefined means already the programs are ready to use. Just we are going to copy and paste. By using that, we are going to choose our programs for the multiple here. This is what the Python is becoming more popular. Then another key point is open source. See, open source is nothing but free to use and supported by a large global community. See, as we discussed, it is going to work under various platforms like Windows, Linux, and Mac. It is supported in all large global community. Then another keyword is cross-platform. Already I said here Windows, Mac, Linux, and even in mobile device also we can use Python language. See, all these key points are making the Python is very popular nowadays. Then easily if we say in simple word or in a simple way, if we are going to say the Python is like a universal tool. See, in a simple way, if we are going to say a Python is like universal tool that helps programmers to create many kinds of applications. It is one of the universal tool, means all the tools, if any tools you want to create, for all the tools we are using Python language. This is one of the universal tool. In see, universal is nothing but all the components you will get under. So that we are going to call the Python is one of the universal tool. It helps programmers. See, programmers are who is going to build a program, that particular people we are going to call it as programmers. It create many kinds of applications easily. So here I'm going to display one of the example for Python code. See, for example, here I'm going to give the code as print hello world. See, input, in the input part I'm going to give the syntax. See, syntax I said in the earlier, the syntax is nothing but the code. The code only we are going to call it as syntax. See, this is one of the syntax, print hello world. See, when we use this syntax, the program is prints hello world on the screen. See, we are giving command as print hello world. This program simply prints on my screen hello world by using the Python program. Thank you.